Okay, so we're going to edit an image on this page. They are flip boxes, so this is where it's a little bit different than some of the other stuff. I'm going to swap this image out, and maybe the text or even the link potentially on this page. So first, make sure that you're logged in, and you can see these at the top. These options at the top, you know that you're definitely logged in. So simply click on Edit Page. So we're going to edit just this page. And on this, you'll see it, the drag and drop builder is basically mimicking, and I'll tab over here. You see 4 crossed by 4 crossed, 2 high. The same thing is going to be mimicked here. And these are drag and droppable. So you can actually drag this down here and drag this up here. You can even hit preview, and you can see the difference that you made. So now that we have these two swapped, um, obviously we don't want to do that, but that's how you drag and drop once things are set up for your site. So let me drag these back, and then this is the one that we're going to update. So, there's some options that you see in general options. This is actually where you would change the URL for haircuts under services. You can actually click on that and choose the specific page that you want to do by simply searching for haircuts. Or if you know the URL, you can actually drag or copy it and paste it here. But if you do haircuts, um, and it does start figuring out where it is. It does come up with suggestions, so you don't actually have to type in the whole thing. But anyway, you can set that link as soon as you select it, but it's already set, so I'll do it anyway. Long story short, um, uh, you can play around with some of these options. This is basically your background, button background color. But again, we're going to go over to here, and we're going to change this image out. So that killed that image, and now this plus button will actually bring up your database of all the images. Actually, I already uploaded this picture and I had it wrong, so let me get rid of that really quickly. This is actually haircuts, obviously. That's what you do. So this gives me a little bit of a problem in QuickTime. So drag and drop. And from there, it's added to your image database. I do recommend that you copy or caption these better. Um, but you can go in and you do haircuts in Iowa City. That's the main reason why I left it as haircuts Iowa City. So I'm kind of getting 2 keywords out of that image, and it's really important to keyword your images as well. So after you're done, go ahead and hit use this image, and then you'll see it here. Make sure you hit save here. And then again, make sure or the next thing you need to do is hit update here. So let's take a look at it. I have it up here in another tab. You'll notice it didn't, this has already been sitting idle, so you have to do a quick refresh, which is on a Mac Command R, but this is, you'll notice the image has changed. So back to this tab, you can also change out the front and what the text says and how large the font is. Usually recommended to be number 2 or H2, which stands for header 2. The default is header 3, and either one is, I think, sufficient. Again, the back says haircuts, so if we take a look at it here, you'll see haircuts. You'll see all this text, and then also the button information, which it's not on this page, but you see this is the description, and then the button information is actually here. So again, that's how it's associated. All right, so that's how you update a quick Flipbox on your website. Again, if you go to here and click on it, it will then take you to this, so as of right now, currently blank page.